Saturday, November 4th, St. Charles Borromeo. Focus. Go and sit in the lowest place. Luke chapter 14, verses 10. The place for us is the one Jesus chose, the last, precisely because the last place is the loveliest. If we take the last place, no one will envy us. No one will be scandalized at us. No one will fear us. We shall be able to see things better from there, from the last place. We shall be able more easily to understand those who suffer, those for whom we wish to toil. These words, taken from Francis Carlo Caretto's book on the life of St. Francis, give us an insight into the choices that God asks us to make. The lowest place is hardly the one any sensible person would choose, but it is precisely the place that Jesus chose, emptying himself to take the form of a slave. The washing of the feet at the Last Supper is the extraordinary example that Jesus wants each of us to follow. And this is the path every disciple of Christ must take. God's face, most visible in the poor and the wretched, the downtrodden and displaced, can only be discerned by us if we choose the lowest place. Paul, in the first reading, makes it clear that God's favor is not on those who pride themselves on being the chosen. Fruit: Lord, teach me to follow the way of humility and meekness, the way you chose and ask us to choose.